Do me a favor. Face one side, please. Side to side.
That way?
Yeah, whatever side.
Yeah.
No problem. Put it right there.
Yeah.
Bring hips to it. That's it. Grab the elbow here. Bring hips a little bit closer. Yeah, that's perfect. Nice. Don't fall. It's my knee here. Don't worry. No.
Okay.
I mean, you're not falling. Don't worry.
Yeah.
It's on the more. Now set this. Bring your hips a little closer. That's it. Perfect. Hold it, please. Double it. That's it.
No.
One more. One more.
Yeah. Oh.
Face up. Face up. You'll feel the torn much better, don't worry. Right. Loose.
No.
Oh, yes. Let me see here. Loose. Next. Oh, still up. Thank you. Oh, nice. Relax. Loose. Oh, still up. Oh. Yeah, that's perfect. Loose. Stay where you are. La, 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 la. That's it. Just maybe with some pops. No, stay where you are. Stay where you are. Maybe you'll see some pops that don't work. That's okay.
No.
Don't worry, don't worry. Just hold it. Yeah.
That was a good one.
Yeah. I know, because I'm doing the top. I like to do it.
Yeah, you're working.
Yeah. Full body adjustment.
Yeah.
Okay, stay where you are. Now, I like to do the lower back now. Get some stretching here, don't worry. Where do you live?
Clontarf.
Oh, okay, oh, you're not far. You're
No.
not far. It's just north side.
Yeah.
This is for the lower back. Don't worry the neck. Neck is just start from here. Everything, you know. But you'll feel the lower back. So just some stretching first.
Am I going to be an inch taller after this, Jimmy?
You will. You feel more looser, more flexible.
Okay.
The problem we have was the flexibility was very stiff and very small. Don't should be.
Yeah.
So your body look athletic to me. You should be moved.
Yeah.
Like you know that. Look what this.
I used to be fit, but I've got 2 kids, so.
Listen, I have 3. I know. That's okay. It's okay. Don't worry. Don't worry. I know you pay the bills.
Yeah.
Dad is there outside.
Working.
Just to make family happy. That's the same. I used to do taxi for 16 years.
Yeah.
A long time. Thanks lockdown, changed my job, and I do these years, but I never took it serious, you know.
Yeah.
And since 2-3 years now, more focused with it. It's good.
Better life.
Yeah.
And you look like you enjoy it.
I love it.
Yeah.
That's the reason it's good, because you love what you're doing.
Yeah.
Stay there. You can sit down anytime.
Okay.
You're thinking, when is going to finish this guy now?
Hopefully soon.
I don't know. I like to make people full body just for, you know?
That's it.
That's the people one way. Everything fine. Stand up, walk a little around. Okay, try. Yeah.
Definitely, yeah.
Try the movements. Yeah,
A lot better.
100 degrees, that's it, that's the one.
I feel lighter.
Yeah, you will feel looser more and more. That's a very good, that's a good one. That's a good session. Oh, I can't do that either.
I haven't felt this. That is good. That is better.
From the other ones?
Magic. Thank you.
Magic hands,
Magic hands.
Here, one second, guys, little here. For how you feel it from the...
Well, 10 times better than I came in, that is for sure. Yeah,
that's
100%.
I don't mind.
Wow, that's amazing. Thank you, Jimmy.
You're welcome.
Yeah,
anytime.
Thank you.
People scare, but it's not scary.
I was scared. I was nervous coming in here. To be honest with you.
Did I hurt you anywhere?
No.
Okay, guys. I'll catch you again. See you guys.
Thanks, Jimmy.
Welcome.